Evening everyone, this is another wee video I thought I would post demonstrating this inlet valve cleaning process that I like to do. This is an Audi A3 TFSI 1.4 direct injection engine. So it's a GDI engine, a gasoline direct injection engine. I'll just loop this video twice, give you actually a wee bit of commentary on what's going on and why I do it. So what happens is with these engines is all GDI engines is the injectors sit below the inlet valves, so it directs fuel directly into the combustion chamber, so hence the name. So what happens as a result of that, however, is the PCV system, the positive crankcase ventilation system, picks up a wee bit of engine oil coming from the crankcase and directs it back into the inlet manifold and for it to be reburnt in the combustion chamber. However, the problem with that is because the fuel doesn't wash the back of the valve with fuel, keeps them clean in a normal type engine. You can get a lot of build up in the back of the valves from that PCV. Also in around the throttle plate and in that manifold itself. So we're atomizing the contents of that silver tin and it's going in as close as it can to the throttle body. And this one here, had to take out the boost pressure sensor and put it in there. It's not ideal, but it's the only place I could really do it. One thing to note is if you're going to do this here, you need to change the engine oil immediately after. Now I'll leave a link in the description with the company of the stuff that I use and a guide demonstrate how to connect it up. So check out my other videos and thanks for watching.